The names of the project members are mentioned below. Here is a brief outline of story. With the advent of the IPL, almost overnight the world's best cricketers who had seldom made the kind of money earned by their counterparts in other professional sports became millionaires. Given the scope and talent the tournament beholds, the BCCI decided to form an unbeatable team that will consist of the star players of the IPL. This news soon spread amongst the cricket community and the fans already started speculating the dream team. But there were certain conditions like player's age, his IPL team, country, performance etc. that determined who will be the part of the team. Realizing the statistical complexity of the task at hand, the BCCI distributed this task of selection to its highly qualified and experienced board members. Moreover, the fans were also encouraged to submit their dream team substantiated with strong statistical figures. An incentive in the form of prize cash and a national recognition was also announced. A cricket-free boy named Kerry Packer then decided to take up the challenge and break his head upon the statistical numbers of each IPL player of each team for each of the season. Since there were a lot of data to be analyzed, he then files used for analyzing were 1. Ball-by-ball details of all the 577 matches played. 2. Match metadata. 3. Player metadata. 4. Player match to know who is the captain and keeper of the match. Includes every player to take part in match even if players haven't got a chance to either bat or bowl. 5. Season-wise details like orange cap, purple cap, man of the series, and lastly team name. The very first variable we used is of the best fielder. The result obtained is attached under. Next is of top run scorer. Results obtained are under. Third variable is of most wicket-taking bowler. Most experienced player is determined by the number of matches played by individuals. Fifth variable is of best captain. Most aggressive batsman is determined by the number of boundaries hit. Seventh variable is of recommendations for remaining bowlers. Eighth variable is of teams to vary of in sequence. In this variable we have considered the stadiums where fielding first has influence on the match result. Top 5 teams whose fielding is weak is determined by the extras they have conceived. Orange cap is considered for recommendation of batsmen. 12th variable is the number of runs scored by any player. Next variable is of number balls by a given bowler. Fielders are recognized by the number of catches they have taken. Last variable we have considered is the list of batsmen who were caught out most number of times. We hope that the information shared is of value to you and have helped you to understand SQL better.